Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, today we're putting a boat on that little trailer. Alex is backing it down into the water, and that's the boat we're putting on there. So we're gonna treat this like a regular old boat launch for us, right into the water. The little bluefin is going on. Alright. Quick update. Just got the boat onto the little aluminum trailer. Worked pretty good. Just got one little ratchet strap holding it on for now. Hangs off the back just a little bit, but you probably can't hear this. Audio's probably terrible. That's alright. Look at that fabulous rig. Trailblazer, aluminum trailer, big boat. Alrighty. Alex and I are going fishing. We got the bluefin on the trailer in the back, just rig. Look at that, awesome boat. So we're gonna go out, try to catch some fish on a lake we don't fish very often. And we're gonna go best 5 today, so I'm gonna try to beat Alex. Actually, I'm gonna beat Alex. We successfully launched the boat here. As you can see, the trailer right there. Boat right here in the water. We're ready to fish this little lake. About a 150-acre lake. We've caught a bunch of fish here in the past. You guys have seen this lake on other videos. And yeah, we're gonna go have some fun. Again, 5 best fish. We're gonna have 1 hour increments on the trolling motor. We're gonna switch off and then have some fun that way. We're gonna catch some big and bass. Giver. Skipped a jig underneath that dock. On the fall, he hit it. It's a good sign. Hitting good today. 1 pound 4 ounces. I'm on the board. Oh my god. Getting out of backlash. Oh, that's... Alrighty guys, as you guys just saw, I caught this fish while getting a backlash out on the Senko, so weigh him up. I was working on that backlash for about a couple minutes. He swallowed it pretty good, but I think he'll be okay. Let's weigh him up, let's see where I'm at. One pound, 8 ounces. I'm on the board and I'm winning. Pound 2 ounces.
saw him way too much. I called that fish.
Boom. That's a 2-pounder right there. Right in the roof of the mouth. That one will go 2. £1 15 ounces. Nice little fish. That one might make the final day bag. Hopefully those last 2 don't.
That's how you rip off your jaws.
Let's get the official weight on this huge specimen on the frog. $112. 1 pound 12 ounces. Nice fish. Let's get him back. Another 2 in the boat. That fish missed it once, came back for it a second time. The second time he absolutely dropped the hammer on it. He clobbered it. Boom. $113. What is this kid doing? 112. Well, let's really see if I can tell this out. Oh, nope. Okay, this is a big fish. This is a big fucking fish. This is a huge fish. Yeah. Get him! Yes!
That fish is sweet.
Oh my god. Boom!
Had that
Look
fish hit.
at that.
He missed it like, what, once or twice?
Once.
And he's like, no, I think it was little. I thought it sounded big. Oh my gosh. That might seal the deal on our best 5 challenge here.
Little. 3 pounds, 13 ounces.
Well, that thing is
Boom. That's a nice fish. Let him go. 20 inches, 3 pounds, 13 ounces.
fish number 4. And this fish is, sit still, hey. 1 pound on the head. That's really beneficial. A 1 pounder, I needed this fish. This fish is huge. Alrighty.
I caught a fish too, and it was cool.
He caught one while I caught my 5th fish. And let's weigh him up. He's been out of the water a little bit because the battery's dead. You guys can see the catch on film. Whatever. 1 pound, 1 ounce. Alright, we're gonna get this guy back. He's been out for about 3 or 4 minutes. He might die. That's right, we're gonna get him back.
I can't believe you got one after I took perfect cast under it. Oh, I can't.
Oh my god, look what came out of his mouth.
Oh,
That is sick.
oh.
Show the camera.
Alright,
We're
so
giving it back to him.
I think we should change baits, because this perch here,
Dude, he's fat.
partially digested, just came out of this dude's mouth fishing a dock. And I'm gonna give Connor the weight of this little perch to go with
Yeah,
it.
we gotta put that in there.
So that it came with the fish, so that counts as part of the weight.
Close it up. And then maybe 1. Or no, yeah, that's fine. 1.9.
Lake number 1 was a success. I ended up winning the best 5 challenge, but we're gonna give Connor another shot, and we're gonna drop into a different lake. We got a few hours left tonight. We're gonna drop into another lake, and we're just gonna add those fish right to the total. Let's see if Connor can come back. Do you think you can do it?
Yep. It's gonna take about a 5 pounder, I think, to get me back in this game.
There's,
I have
there's
it?
5 pounders in there.
Do I have it? I don't think so.
First cast.
First skip. That's a fish. I don't think that'll do me any good. There's giant number 1. Let's see how many we can get. This one we're gonna weigh. Just 'cause this one's gonna help me here. 1.9. Anyways, there he is. Awesome little fish on the jig. Alex is hooked up.
That's 4 pound upgrade. Putting her in the books.
Alex's 1 pound, 8 ounce jig fish. It's a good pattern around here.
That is fish number 3 off this one dock. My high score off this dock is, I think, 9, so we still got some work to do.
1.9 again. Another 1.9. I'm using the 1/2 ounce Terminator jig. Awesome fish. Alrighty, we just finished up our little challenge, our 5 best challenge, and the victor was Mr. Lemke.
Oh yeah.
He had 9.2.
9 pounds, 2 ounces.
And I had 8.4. 8 pounds, 4 ounces, so just
He had like a 4-pounder that pretty much sealed the deal.
Yeah, it did.
So now I gotta buy him food.
So I'm a better angler. Remember that.
I gotta buy him food now.
Yeah.
Darn.
Yeah. Darn.
We got the food. What do you think about the food?
I think that free is always my favorite price.